since umabot na tayo ng 600 subscribers, ipopost ko na itong pinangako ko sa inyong 30 niche to start your faceless YouTube channel. So magsisimula tayo sa 10 muna, no? Hati-hatiin natin. Gawa ko ng slideshow para sa inyo, ganun ako kabait, no? So these are the top 10 niche for your faceless YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo mag-start ng faceless YouTube channel, you can start with these 10 niches. For sure na mag-grow yung channel mo with this niche. So let's start with the number 1. So unang-una natin is si Drew. So pwede ko i-share sa inyo tong slideshow na to dahil clickable naman yung mga link dito. Nakaka-gain siya ng 260 plus na views. Sa 3 minutes na yan. Pero alam ko monetize to. So check natin ha. Ayan. As you can see, the channel Drew is monetized. So yung niche na ginagawa niya is napakadali. Tapos napaka-basic din ng ginagamit ng YouTube thumbnail. Pero napaka-effective, no? Panoorin natin ito isang video niya.
99% of people fail at charisma, so I studied the main reasons why your attempts haven't been working for you, and I found the solution. In this video, I'll show you the 3 main things people with charisma exceed at, while demonstrating a step-by-step guide on how you can implement what they have achieved.
See? Napaka-basic nung kanyang video, pero napaka-effective. Actually, ngayon, lumilipat na rin ako sa paggawa ng long form. Nag-stop na ako sa paggawa ng shorts. So, I'm transitioning na rin sa paggawa ng long form videos. Kasi, una, ang dali mo monetize, lalo na kung magbo-blow up yung video mo. At mas malaki yung kikitain mo. Lalo na kung ang target mo is US. Meron talaga siyang long term, no? Makikita mo talaga yung long term success pag gumawa ka ng ganitong type of content. Compare sa shorts, lalo na pag paulit-ulit yung content mo, medyo nag-fall out yung views. So, pero compare sa long form, pag nag-long form ka, magtutuloy-tuloy talaga siya eh. Lalo na sa long term. Okay? Next natin is ito, inspire within. Actually, same sila na motivational, pero iba yung editing style ni Inspire Within. Kung si Drew is medyo into the simple text and emoji lang, ito siya gumagamit siya ng mga anime.
Start your day by waking up between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. Begin with a glass of water to hydrate your body, then step outside for some sunlight exposure. Fuel your
Almost 1 million views, 600 million views. So, tingnan natin kung kailan siya nag-start. Start siya October 20, 2024, 58.1k subscribers and 3 million views. Long form. So, check natin rin kung monetize siya. Monetize din siya, guys. So, next natin is si Bound, Base Plito, and Jinx. Actually, lahat sila is same ng editing, same sila ng approach, lalo na sa paggawa ng thumbnail. Tingnan nyo naman yung thumbnail, napaka-simple, pero effective talaga, sobrang effective. Ito yung pinakagusto kong niche right now. Na kung marunong kang gumawa ng ganitong type of video, is the right time to start it na. Check natin si Bound. So si Bound is ganun, pare-pare sila ng editing style pero magkakaiba lang sila ng type of content. So si Bound is more on animals.
Looks inviting. You're too small to notice her snarling at predators twice her size. But if you could, you'd probably take notes. At this stage, life is simple. You eat, sleep, and occasionally try to bite your mom's.
Tapos check natin si... Ito naman, alam ko mga more on historical siya. Pero yun nga, same.
The year is 908. An unruly but experienced soldier in the army of one Vladimir Sviatoslavich. Alongside Vladimir from his...
Magigat siya naman kung anong pinupunta ko. And then next natin si Jinx.
You're born in Japan somewhere between the 800s and the 1800s, but most likely around the 1600s and 1700s because that's when ninjas were most popular. Ninjas didn't have your typical childhood. You didn't get to play...
Ganun siya. Okay? Kung gusto niyo seryosohin yung paggawa ng faceless YouTube channel, this is the right approach na kailangan niyong gawin. Effective to, lalo na kung gusto niyo ng long term. Na kung gusto niyo, kung ang tinitingnan niyo talaga is long term. So next, ito na yung madaling gawing content. Ito, kung gusto nyo, ito, kung di wala kayo masyadong alam sa pag-edit, ito, madaling content ang gawin nyo. So, ang ginagawa naman nila dito is comparison video, alam ko eh. comparison videos. Natin na. Ayan, basic editing lang yan. Ayan guys, basic editing lang siya tapos compilation lang din siya. Kung gusto nyo, kung pwede nyo rin gamitin approach to sa paggawa ng faceless YouTube channel. Next natin is si Favory. Ito, napakadaling content na ito. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano siya gawin. Pero, kung gusto nyo siyang matutunan, comment nyo sa baba. I'll try to learn kung paano siya gawin. And then, tuturo ko sa inyo. Yan. Ito naman, mga ginagawa nilang content is...
Alright, so here we are in front of the elephants. Cool thing about these guys.
Next natin is Film Secrets. Ito din. Kung mahilig naman kayo sa gumawa ng mga, kung mahilig kayo sa movies, no? Maganda rin to. Maganda rin tong niche na to, Film Secrets.
Heads up! Incoming! Kion? Oh!
Why was Kion missing from The Lion King 2? While we see Kiara, his
Basically, parang ano lang siya voice over. Tapos, and then clips kung doon galing sa movie na i-review mo. Parang ganun lang. 7 is Speed, Love, Drive, Throttle Talk. Actually, isa lang din sila ng content. Ay, isa lang sila ng niche. Actually, isa lang sila ng niche about cars. So, mga F1 driving. No? Tapos, pinapaikot na lang nila dun about, nyari, about sa driver, kung ano yung mga nabili niya. Tulad nito sa drive, ano yung nabili niya ng mga mamahalin. Tapos, ito naman, band Formula 1 technology. Tapos, ito naman, kay Throttle Talk about sa mga F1 drivers. And then, Speed Lab, ayan. Nakikita nyo naman talagang meron siyang market eh. Meron siyang market. Okay, 8 ito. Ito is one of the blowing right now na faces YouTube channel is the K9pedia. So more malamang tinataka nila ito is about dogs, no? Lahat, anything about dogs. Meron pa tayo ditong Combat Capital. Ito naman is about UFC. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kung ano yung hilig mo, pwede mo siyang gawin as a niche. So, kung ano yung alam mo talaga, kasi may advantage ka na eh. Masaya ka sa ginagawa mo na yun. So, mas makakapag-produce ka ng quality content compared to other competitors mo. And last but not the least is Veritas Palm. Ito napakadaling content talaga na ito. Tignan natin papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ano sinasabi ko. Actually, gumagawa sila ng mga content din. When celebrity destroy woke interviewers. When comedians destroy woke hecklers. Yan. Pag pinanood niyo siya,
give me something in return. I guess they're mostly white males. So
yeah, let's get into that.
Get your manners back in.
I'm Jewish.
Celebrities are often subjected to agenda-driven interviews.
Yan, compilation lang din siya guys. Compilation with a voiceover. Gano'n ba siya kahirap gawin? Parang 1 hour, 2 hours, kaya mo nang tapusin yan. So, check natin siya kung monetize ba sila. Yan guys, monetize naman sila. Most of the videos na ginawa nila is compilation videos with a voiceover. So, yan. I still have, I think, 20 plus niche na ginawa ko. Pag umabot yung video na to ng 30 likes, i-upload natin yung part 2. So, most of these niches is more on long form videos because I'm already transitioning sa paggawa ng long form videos. Ay, hindi na lang ako gumagawa ng basta AI lang, tapos compile, voice over, tapos. I'm actually doing quality content right now kasi iniisip ko din yung pang long term, no? Para pwede natin siyang gawing full time itong paggawa ng faceless YouTube videos. And guys, if you have the same goal as me, like nyo tong video na to, share nyo, tapos sabay-sabay tayong umangat guys, walang hilang pababa. Ayun, abangan ko kayo sa part 2. Thank you, peace.